Hey, thanks for clicking on today's video. Stay tuned to the end and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day. So Andrew, what are you doing out here?
Well, I'm standing down on this table. We put some lasers where we put all of our names in it with the laser. And I got just a couple of them done. I'll give you like a little look at what it's kind of going to look like, sort of, when it's all done. We're going to epoxy over the whole table after we get everything done. So I still got quite a bit left, so I'll probably be out here at least the rest of the day standing. So we'll show you guys when we're done.
Hey Whitmore, what are you doing?
I'm recording you. What are you doing?
Woohoo! I'm trying to keep it short because Whitmore told me that I talk too much. Anyways, if you look here on this wall, you can see I do not have the pictures up yet, like I was planning on yesterday, maybe today. Today we're going to do a lot of laser engraving, so actually I think what I'll do is, as soon as I get back there to the laser, I'll just have Whitmore start filming some of the different projects that we do for the next few hours, and then you can see some different things that we lasered today. Because I have some ideas, and on top of everything else, I don't know if you guys know, but Branson is a tourist town. And we have these flea markets, which aren't a typical flea market. They're actually indoor, like craft malls. So we actually have some booth space at a craft mall that we sell lasered cups, and we actually do really well with it with Branson design. So I'm going to be doing some of those cups, and plus we've got a wine bottle we're going to do, some beer mugs for a local bar, and actually some pens for Father's Day that a customer dropped off yesterday. So we're going to do a bunch of different little projects, and then either today or Monday we're going to actually sublimate a rug like we did for the front of our shop. We had someone say we want one for our shop, so we're going to do that, and I'm going to make an actual video of that to put on YouTube. So that's what I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say for now, and you can catch me back at the laser area. Thank you.
They helped, but not. They look better. You can actually see in there, but it's not like.
Do you
the
want
shop.
a new shirt? I've got shirts.
I'm
in
fine on the shirt.
You want new pants?
Pants are fine. They're dry now.
Okay, well, if you want new clothes, you can.
They're dry.
We'll get you clothes. Okay, hey.
Looks like he's pissing blood. He's all right.
He's fine. Okay.
Oh, no, it looks like they gave me that orange medicine for that medicine that turns your orange pee for UTI.
I would say for UTI.
So what are you gonna work on today, John?
Still chipping away at world peace. I've apparently realized I've started collecting dirty coffee mugs from the house. The big news of today, our compressor at the old shop blew ahead, so I am panicked and working on that today. We've ordered the parts to fix that to keep us up and going until we can get the electrician in. However, we just talked to the electrician, and we're hoping he's going to be here this afternoon to get started on the electric for the new shop. So that's what I'm pretty much working on today. Thanks for tuning in and watching.
So Zach, why does the dog look like it puked on you? So Zach, what happened today?
Our compressor blew up. It blew the rod right through the case. Oil, watery, rusty oil mix is all over me, all over the room at our other shop. And hopefully we're going to be getting the electrician to come down today and wire up our new compressor and get us working the Cerakote part out of our new shop. So be just doing odds and ends stuff here, getting the shop ready, and that's it.
Okay, so go ahead and send it way down. So you can move this if you press this bar, unlocks it, and we can move this over here. So ultimately, and we don't need this. This is to clip inside of the cups to hold them when they're rotating. Since we're doing this, we don't need to. We don't need that. And then these are going to sit right here on top of our rollers. Now this is nice because this bottle is the same size. There's no slope or anything.
Right.
So that's going to make it easy. So as long as we get it on that rotator, we can go ahead and lock that. And then we'll use our little handy dandy leveling tool.
So Bailey, what are you working on today?
well, right now I'm eating this delicious lemon bread from Starbucks. It's going down. Okay. Other than that, we got some pins here we're going to be lasering for the Friendship Free Will Baptist Church. We're going to be using our CO2 laser today. We also are going to be laser engraving this line right here. That's about it. It's a lasering day up in here.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and check us out at BransonCerakote.com for your Cerakote laser and stencil needs. Have a great day.